Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another beautiful painting, but this time it's an abstract painting, so wait till end to learn how to make this painting. So I begin with an already primed canvas. I started applying black acrylic paint with a liquid consistency, and here I am moving the brush in some vertical motion, and I'm making a landscape. So this movement of the brush is the key in making this landscape. Observe it carefully. As you can see, it looks very simple just for the beginners. You can also make it for your homes and offices, or you can order one from my channel. Now the brush is moving in vertical motion towards the water side, is I'm gonna make some water here. I will add a bit of light colors later on, but at this step I'm adding black. I like to make abstract paintings, as abstract painting is an art that do not represent scenes exactly the way they appear in reality. These are the forms which express some ideas and concepts, such as in this painting you may see water, some trees and the sky, but exactly they do not appear as the real form. Like is the we cannot distinguish the real sky, the real trees, but they may appear when you study the painting deeply, when you have a look, or when you connect with this painting at some deeper level. You might feel these things, like you might feel a landscape in this painting, but these are not the exact form. Now the brush is moving towards the horizon, which will be a bit lighter in grayish tones, as I want to give a cloudy effect in the scene. I am moving the brush towards the horizon. As you can see, still I am using the black acrylic paint, but I am leaving some gap for the baseline, as baseline is very important in every landscape. The theme of this painting is basically sad, as you will be able to find some trees, water and sky, but all in very dim and dull light, which will add an effect of sadness in this painting. Now I am moving towards the horizon part and started adding some grayish tones, because I want to add some cloudy effect in this scene. Adding white acrylic over the black one make the gray shade. So I will be adding some more white because I want the horizon a little bit lighter. We have to blend the acrylic paints very quickly, as their drying time is so fast as compared to the oil paints, which require a lot of time for their layers to get dry. So we will be doing this quickly. I want to show a mood in this painting to enjoy the beauty of the colors and form. The mood is sad here, obviously, because the overall theme is dull and dark. So but these colors are evergreen, like the combination of black, gold, gray and white. They are timeless and elegant and fits in any interior. I will be adding more white here, pure white, to give more expansion to this painting. It will also lighten the sadness a little bit. For this painting you require only two tools, that is a flat brush and palette knife, because these two will help you complete this painting. Nothing else is required, no small brushes, no round brushes. You can also do it with one round brush and one palette knife, but palette knife is must, as it will add some texture. We will be adding some texture with the palette knife here to add some depth in this baseline, because baseline is very important in every landscape, because it will separate the upper part and the lower part of the landscape. Palette knife work is my most favorite, as you can draw with a free hand. There are no lines, but you are just expressing yourself, you are expressing your thoughts, and you are working with the colors, and let the colors express yourself. These may look like some random patterns or brush strokes. Everyone might see some different in the same abstract painting. One might see a storm, another might feel at peace. At this part I am adding vertical lines with the palette knife to give some reflection of the water, as this part is based on water, but these are not the exact form as one may see in reality. As I have already told you, these are just the imaginations of the artist, and you have to find the formations according to your own mood and thought. These trees and water are not painted in realistic detail. They stand as impressions, vertical strokes in black and deep grey, rooted in stillness yet touched by wind. This lower part of the canvas holds the water reflection. Using horizontal blending and light dry brush technique, I am creating the illusion of mirrored shadows. The water isn't still, it's alive, with soft movement echoing the abstract forms above. Throughout the painting, I let the colors lead, sometimes layering, sometimes scraping, sometimes working with the palette knife. Now I'm taking a touch of black and start adding vertical broken strokes right beneath where our trees are placed. This gives the illusion of their reflection shimmering on the water's surface. The trick here is to keep your brush loose, let it dance lightly over the canvas, keep your palette knife loose and work in vertical motions. I'm working both with the palette knife and the brush at the same time, like I require blending at some points and I require texture at some point. That's why working side by side. To bring warmth and contrast, I blend in hints of gold at the horizon part. This adds depth and a magical glow as if the sun is gently touching. Remember, in abstract art, it's not about precision, it's about feeling. Let the movement of your brush mimic the natural ripple of water. You can even drag a palette knife gently in some areas and add texture and variety. Here I am brushing off the extra gold leaf which I applied using Bluebird's gold leaf, and the leaves are from the same company, Bluebirds. This is my favorite company. Now I am sealing the whole painting with a lacquer, clear lacquer. As with the passage of time, the oxidation occurs and the color of the painting fades away sometimes, but to prevent it from oxidation, I always apply lacquer on my paintings to prevent it from the environmental damage and increase its shelf life. Don't forget to clean the edges of the painting with the white paint or primer. Most of the artists skip this part, but this represents your professionalism and how much dedication you offer towards your work. So don't skip this step, it is a must. Now I'll be showing you the complete painting. Here you go. It is the complete painting look, and I hope you enjoy the process. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Allah Hafiz.